मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया. Thank you. That was an incredible performance.
Now I would request Beena ma'am to speak a few words.
In fact, I don't. I think you have started your assembly at 11:30, right? But I couldn't join as I was attending other assembly. One more assembly is going on parallelly. Anyway, whatever I have seen, your performance is very good, and I expect more participation from each and every child. I think you have about more than 45 students, more than 40. You're clubbing two classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, by clubbing two classes, more participation should come. I don't know whether you must have already presented few items. I don't know, but that is what is required. What all you have done? News, thought, all these things.
Yes, ma'am. News, thought. Plus, there was this prayer also.
Okay.
And talk was presented by two people. There was a poem also.
Every child has participated by making the PPTs and the posters and everything.
Maybe
So
I'll be coming to your next assembly also. So there I should see more participation. But whatever you have done, whatever I have seen is commendable. And with little time, you have managed to coordinate and do all these things. My congratulations goes to the coordinator and the class teachers and all the children and the parents who have relentlessly helped them to accomplish this. Okay, now
Thank you
let
so
me
much,
take your
ma'am.
leave and so that I can go to the other sections.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating words.
Now I would request our coordinator ma'am to speak a few words.
Okay, children. It will first. I would like to invite Ritu ma'am. She's also here. Ritu ma'am, we have just concluded with our assembly.
Yeah, I'm just going from pillar to post from one
Yes,
end
I
to
know
the
that.
other. I'm so sorry to have joined now, but I was expecting that it would be continuing because in a few sections there were some network issues. So
No,
I
ma'am.
couldn't
We
get
started right on time.
Okay. So I was there in class 6AB, 6CD, then 7AB. Then I waited for about a little longer in 7C and D, and then I landed here. Never mind, children. I'm so sorry about it, but definitely your enthusiasm shows that you must have done a great job. And thank you, everyone. Every month we will be doing this special assembly at the end of the month. And Kavita ma'am and your class teacher, I think, is Poonam ma'am, 8th B, right? So we'll both be guiding you. They are best guidance which you can get. And above all, Avantika ma'am is there for all the support. And children, very, very important for you to keep happy, keep yourself positive, and continue in your academics. Do not lose hope. There might be a third wave, there might be a fourth wave, but as long as we are together, we'll sink and swim together, and we will be very, very successful and happy towards the end of the day. So all the best, dear children, and may you succeed and do well in everything you pursue or you do or you endeavor, right? So all the best.
Thank you, Ritu
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So much,
You're
Ritu
welcome,
ma'am.
Kavita ma'am.
And ma'am,
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
have been a pillar of guidance for us also. You have provided us whatever we are doing. We have provided all the support and the guidance. Without it, it would not have been
so
possible.
nice
Thank
of
so
you
much.
to speak kind words for me. But I am seeing the hard work of all the teachers, I'm seeing the hard work of the coordinators, and I am seeing the zeal and the enthusiasm, replicated in the children. So that is what we are working for, and that gives you the end satisfaction at the end of the day. So that is the best, to see smiling faces, to see contented faces, and I am very happy that children are doing so well. All the best, children.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, ma'am, for your encouraging words.
My pleasure.
Okay, let's bring this to an let's conclude this, all children. Let's bring it to an end. Okay, very well done, very well performed. I especially like the PPT a lot, all that hard work. It was very much evident in that PPT. I really loved it. Whatever you had made, the posters, it was lovely.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am.
good. I could see, your hard work in that PPT, and whatever you performed, the dance performance, the news talk, whatever it was there, it was brilliant. Very well done, children.
Thank you, Avantika, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Kavita,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Puna, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Chaliye, everybody, thank you for attending the assembly. So nice
Ma'am,
of you.
now
So
I
many
would-
students had joined.
Ma'am, I would request our class teachers to speak a few words.
Good morning.
Kavita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and in a good health. So, rainbow gives us all a ray of hope. That is, we should always remain positive towards our lives, our health. This keeps us healthy by heart and encourage all of us to be successful in our lives. Thank you, everyone, and thank you to our children and parents for making this assembly a great one. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your rousing words.
Thank you, ma'am, for your
Right now
motivating words
it's
and
rain which is happening in the world, and after this we will see the rainbow of the positive and the bright future. As after every rain we wait for the rainbow to see in the sky in each direction. We keep searching where. So right now we are in that situation where the rain is happening, and we are looking forward कि yes, in some direction it will be visible. चलिए सार्थक, let's proceed now. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you Avantika ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
everyone.
thank you,
Thank you,
Kavita,
ma'am.
ma'am, for inviting me. It
Thank
was a
you,
pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, children.
For watching our assembly. We hope that you all like our assembly. And a good day ahead.
चलिए bye everyone, students, bye bye.
बेटे अपने एक्ट की वीडियो सार्थक को सेंड कर दो, क्योंकि क्लास की एक ग्रुप वीडियो बनानी है थे और बी की। जितनी जल्दी आप सेंड करेंगे उतनी जल्दी वीडियो रेडी होती है।
हाँ, और सार्थक मैंने भी जो क्लिक किए रिकॉर्ड किए मैं भी आपको भेज देती हूँ. आई थिंक यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वन सिंगल वीडियो ना, ठीक है ना कविता मैम?
हाँ मैम, ठीक है मैम,
मैं भी भेज देती हूँ. मेरे पास भी जो रिसीव होंगी मैं सारी सार्थक की तरफ फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगी.
ठीक है मैम।
चलिए, रिमेनिंग एवरीबडी बाय एंड हैव अ वेरी गुड डे अहेड. You can also unmute and sing if you want to. Those who we can end our day with this. Well, day is ahead, but we can end our assembly like this. You can unmute and sing. Now upcoming Doctor's Day and one more day is coming. Say no to plastic. So now we will go on with that. So every day is something new we will do. Soon you will get the message in your class. Okay? That was very nice, everyone. And the dance was so nice. I could feel the rhythm, like I was also dancing with all of you. Okay, everybody. Bye bye. Sameer. Yes, Yashika.
Ma'am,
कर दो मैम, कर दो एंड कर दो.
हाँ ठीक है मैम, कर दीजिए.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
बाय बेटे.
बाय बाय.
हाँ?